दुनिया की भीड़ में कब तक घिसेगा, स्ट्रगल की चक्की तू कब तक पीसेगा। आज है मौका टेक्नोलॉजी सुपरस्टार्स में लगा दे चौका। आज है मौका टेक्नोलॉजी।
इनके हैं हजारों फैंस, इनके हैं हजारों फैंस, पब्लिक है इनकी दीवानी। गिव इट अप फॉर सागर मवानी।
दुनिया की भीड़ में कब तक घिसेगा, स्ट्रगल की चक्की तू कब तक पीसेगा। आज है मौका टेक्नोलॉजी सुपरस्टार्स में लगा दे चौका।
Clap for the judges. Good. I come from a very religious family. We are so religious, we are so religious. You know the best part of this? I can play it even when I have loose motion. Okay, before I start, let me tell you, my name is Sagar Mawani, and I come from a very small town, middle class family. So I'll try to tell jokes as economically as possible. Yesterday I resigned from History Channel. Because tomorrow I'll join Future Group. Did you hear the silence? I work for an IT firm. I don't do jokes about my seniors because they don't work. I bought a pen drive from my friend. It's called Transcend Jet Flash 64 GB. It executes fast data transfer, but not faster than the transfer of honest police officers. I threw my pen drive up in the air. Did not come. My mother saw me and said, "Stop hanging upside down." If Amitabh Bachchan was the brand ambassador of Transcend Jet Flash pen drives, the tagline would be, "Fastest flash drive first." Even my grandpa's old chair rocks more than my life. Only I knew my grandpa's last wish. He said, "I don't want to die now." So I stopped choking his throat. One day he burned his chest. Doctor said, "How?" I said, "We were home. I was ironing out his shirt." What he was doing? Wearing it. One day I stepped out of a beer bar and I saw my wife being stalked by a stranger. I immediately caught him and said, "Why don't you hit her?" She turned around. In fact, she wasn't my wife. She told me to leave her husband. One day I turned a regular bulb into a disco light. I just turned the bulb on and rhythmically blinked my eyes. Before Netflix came to India, I used to sell DVDs for a living. I used to carry a big bag. Inside it, smaller bag. Inside it, smallest bag. Inside it, I used to keep DVDs of Inception. I did a charity show for the mute people. Super hit. After the show, they were all speechless. When in Japan, I usually drink a lot of alcohol. So during an earthquake, I can stay stable. My office boss beat me up for test driving his car. I just told him, airbags are working. Remember, Loose motions are not solid waste. I am obsessed with tea and biscuits so much that I can give my blood for it, like I do at blood donation camp. Did you hear the silence? People read holy books on their mobile phones. Pathetic. If you want to know God, pick your book and read. But if you want to feel God, close your eyes and read your holy book in Braille. That was my set. Thank you so much.